part 2 of my salad video.
Okay, so now I'm done cutting my tomatoes. There we go. Now I just have to put them in a plate like my cucumbers. There we go. Now I can cut my onions, which is the last ingredient. Next onion. Last onion. All done. Now I can put these in a plate as well. There we go, in a plate now. Now we can mix all of our ingredients. There are all the ingredients. First we'll put in our tomatoes. There we go. Now our onions. Oops. Okay. Cucumbers. There we go. Now it's time to mix. I'm just going to put on some, I'm going to put in some lime in my salad to make it taste good. Okay, so here's some lime that I cut before. I can just put that in now. Here we go. Mix again. All done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!